But right now I'm just using StreamYard. So if you leave a comment, if you're not already with StreamYard, I won't see your name, but I can still see your comment and it will just say where you're watching me from. But anyway, let me get right into it. Hi everybody, let me do my formal introduction. This is Tamiya Robles. I'm your credit repair specialist, expert. I am the host of my podcast, Coast to Coast Credit. I'm the owner of FixMyCreditNow50.com, and I am now a new president of a nonprofit organization called NARAB, local chapter High Desert, out here in California. What's good? What's good, y'all? So yeah, I switched up at the last minute just because I knew I was gonna reach more people faster, and I didn't feel like waiting in the Zoom. So I got y'all. This is gonna be an informative video. Hopefully, this is super helpful for y'all. And the title, How to Pay Down Your Credit Cards and Jump Your Credit Score. Why I'm talking about that is because I'm getting a lot of people signing up with me, which is great. I got some new fly stuff going on that I'm gonna offer you guys, but a lot of people feel that they need to fix their credit and they don't. A lot of you guys just need to pay down your credit cards just a little bit, and you will see a difference in your credit score. And we need to go over that. Some of you guys are just reaching out like, yeah, great, you're amazing. How much do you cost? I want to start today. I might not need to charge you. You just may need to take that same money, right? And pay down your credit cards. So that's what we're basically going to talk about. All right. That's what I'm talking about today. If you have any questions on it, leave me a comment.